Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the var keyword. Okay, this is the old way of declaring a variable inside of JavaScript. Okay, and with that being said, we should not be using var to declare a variable. And I will show you why. Okay, there are multiple reasons, but one of the reasons is that the var variables can be redeclared. So let me just have something like this. So let's do let eggs equals to 10. Okay, we can update this one. Okay, so x plus plus, all right, that is good, and console log x. Okay, now we are getting 11 here, but we cannot do something like this, like let x equals to 20. We cannot do that. Okay, if we do that, then we will get the syntax error. Okay, identifier x has already been declared. So this is problematic here. So that is the reason why we use let. Now let's do the same thing with var. Okay, so var, let's do x. Once again, let's do 10. Now we can update it just like the normal variable. So x plus plus, okay, console log of x. All right, that is good. We are getting 11. So there are some of the similarities with the var and the let, right? We can reassign the variables and we can update the variables, but there is a huge problem with var, which is this one. So if I just go here and do var x equals to 50 right now, hit save. So as you can see, we can redeclare the same variable, which is problematic. The reassignment or the updation of the variable is good, but the redeclaration of the variables is totally bad. So in this case, what we can do, we can accidentally do something like this. X equals to something like chicken. These are chicken eggs. Okay, if I just do that, then x is now chicken. Okay, so this is problematic, and this is why we should not be using var. But I am here showing it to you because in the legacy code bases, if you just work in some older code bases, you will see var all the time. That is why I am showing it to you. But you should never use the var to declare a variable in this moment. Okay, previously what we had, basically the let and the const keywords are not fully supported in certain browsers. That is why people still used var. But currently, right now, at this point of recording, the let and the const keywords are fully supported in modern browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Brave, in fact. Okay, so don't worry about that. So this is the var keyword for declaring a variable. Okay, now there is another way to declare a variable, which once again I do not recommend you to do, which is something like this. So without any sort of keyword here. So if I just do that, let's do eggs equals to 10 and do console log of eggs. This is a valid thing as well. So let's do something like 20 here. So as you can see, we are getting 20. Once again, I will highly recommend you to not to do something like this. Okay, we should not be doing something like this. Every time you create a variable, you should use const. In the case if you do not able to use const because of you want to update the variable inside of your code, then you use let. Never use var or never use this unnamed assignment here. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Awesome. So in this video, we have discussed about the var keyword for declaring a variable, and also when we will be discussing about the hoisting, about the scopes in JavaScript, then the difference will be much more clear with the var and the let keywords. Okay, so it is highly recommended that you use the let or the const to declare a variable in JavaScript.